You ever had like your back against the wall and shit? It's you against everybody, so now it's fuck everybody. Don't ask questions. Just start busting.
It takes a lot of strength to do what I do, but I ain't lie about a thing, it's really not hard to see. I just hope the way I'm honest with you is the same way you be honest with me. I mean, honestly, sometimes I feel like my life is a soap opera. If it ain't the drama with my girl or my mama, it's probably the politics and problems of this music biz. Cause I'm too honest, fuck all this music shit. This ain't about me making no hit record. This is me making you not wanna spit second. So if there's little kids listening to this, then parents, I suggest you use your discretion. Cause this is my chance to hold no punches and get it off my chest, so I hold no grudges and tell you all about the shit you don't know. Fuck it, even Coney think he know me, but he don't know nothing. So this is what I like to call therapeutic habits. I ain't relapsed, I haven't been to rehab to have it. So now I'm standing right where I belong. You just ain't gon' understand it till you hear that I am gone. It takes a lot of strength to do what I do, but I ain't lie about a thing, it's really not hard to see. I just hope the way I'm honest with you is the same way you be honest with me. I mean, honestly, you wanna know why my headphones are so loud? It's cause I don't wanna be a part of no crowd. And sometimes I tend to drown my own thoughts out. I can't afford a Ford, so how could I get a Porsche now? I wish I could though, cause my flow is lights out. But every time life throws a curveball, I strike out. I get the pistol, cock it, grab a can full of logos, so I can have a pick. Which option is gonna leave me better off than where I'm at now? My pops heard me talk like this, I probably get smacked down. So I just hold it in and rock in my own zone. My heart's just a rock, my mentality stone cold. Reality challenged me to be more than so-so. I feel like life has got me in a chokehold. I cried enough tears to let the Mayflower boat flow. So if all I'm doing is just telling fibs, let my nose grow. It takes a lot of strength to do what I do, but I ain't lie about a thing, it's really not hard to see. I just hope the way I'm honest with you is the same way you be honest with me. I mean, honestly, it takes a lot of guts to put your nuts on the line when you cuss in every rhyme, cause of the shit that's on your mind. You wouldn't bother to try to discuss otherwise, cause of how it might be viewed through the eyes of these other guys. Fuck that, my pride is all I got. I never fear writer's block. Before that, you hit fired shots. I'm not looking up to you, so I'm lying up in that box. Fuck trying to find the key, I already done pried the lock. I broke in, stole your shit and left all your rhyme books. Cause I don't bite nothing outright, this is my life. Look, the hard knocks of life I spit had this mic shook. Okay, you got your left jab, but I got the right hook. That's called wordplay. Play it back if you ain't get it. I'm too bad reviews away from stabbing all my critics. So if I get negative feedback for this, then it's whatever. Honestly, I don't need that shit. It takes a lot of strength to do what I do, but I ain't lie about a thing, it's really not hard to see. I just hope the way I'm honest with you is the same way you be honest with me. I mean, honestly.